Hi viewers, we're at South Wingfield Station. It's not actually a train station you can get a train from anymore. The trains do pass through here quite fast. Intercity, East Midlands Railways. That way goes south. And the other side of this bridge, that goes north. Just waiting to see what train comes through in a minute. Very wooden bridge, this is made out of wood. Here comes the train now, going quite fast. I don't like heights myself, but here it comes quite fast. Look. And there we go, he's going outside down there, look. East Midlands Railway, Intercity. Heading south, that one. And another train coming, this one's going north. That's only about 3 or 4 carriages, that one, wasn't it? This place is quite busy for trains. We've been here not long. I've seen about half a dozen trains already. I haven't seen enough freight trains go past yet though, only passenger trains. I can hear people coming towards me in a minute from across the field. There's a steam train coming in about 20 minutes time, so this might be a good viewing point, mightn't it? On this bridge here, like, you know.